All right, welcome class. This is chapter 18, and to be more specific, 18.1. In this chapter, we're doing volume of prism and cylinder. We're going to do questions 1 through 4. The first thing I want you guys to look at is the three figures that we have. This is the main thing that you guys are going to be working on 18.1. The first one, if we look to the side type of figure that we have, well, the first one is a what? Yes, it is a rectangular prism. What about the second figure? What do we have? Yes, it is a cylinder. And what about the third figure that we have? Yes, it is a triangular prism. Well, if we look closely right here, we know the first one, it's obvious, which we guys have done in the past in elementary. The volume of the rectangular prism, length times width times height. And the second part right here that we have is cylinder. Well, cylinder, let's think about the base. The base of the cylinder is actually what? A circle. And if you look at the first part, that is the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. So this one will pertain to this one over here. And last but not least, this is a triangle. We know that triangle is similar to a rectangular prism. It's just half of it. That's why this right here is divided by 2. This is base times the height. It's supposed to be times the width over here, but it's okay. We check that out and we go to the next question. For the next question over here, the volume of a prism. Well, we've done that before. Remember, the previous is just what? Length times width times height. So length times width times height. We have here on the calculator, when we turn it on, we have, I'm not sure if you guys could see it real good. Let me go ahead and get closer to it. We have 5.8 times 3.3 times 8.9, and to that we have 170.346. Well, we have 170.346, and this is round to the nearest hundreds. So if we round it to the nearest hundreds, 170.35 will be my final answer. 170.35. That is correct. Let's go to the next one. Next question. Again, this is the one that I told you was similar to the other ones, which is what? The base times the height times the width, but the only difference is, since it's a triangular prism, we divide that at the end by 2. So we have 14 right there times, one down, 8 times 11. We get 1,232, but do not forget to divide it by 2. We get 616 as your final answer.